laying a supply line. The order is given to lay a line. The firefighter repeats the order. Once the apparatus stops completely, the firefighter proceeds to the tailboard, grasps the end coupling and first fold of hose, placing them on the same shoulder. A hydrant strap will indicate the first fold. The firefighter turns to face the ground, steps off, and proceeds to the hydrant. Once the hydrant is reached, the fold is dropped. The hydrant strap is looped over the hydrant. The firefighter walks to a location where eye contact with the engineer can be made, either directly or in the mirror. The firefighter yells "take off" while signaling with one hand for the apparatus to pull away. As the rig pulls away and the first coupling drops, the hydrant strap can be removed. The hydrant pack is removed and placed next to the hydrant. If there is a 4-inch outlet on the hydrant, the 2.5 to 4-inch increaser is removed and placed on the ground. Using one of the spanner wrenches, remove the cap. Check the hydrant for debris and connect the hose hand tight. Use the spanner to tighten the coupling and then place the spanner on the valve in a ready position. Position the hose to keep the area clear for another pumper and to remove kinks. Clear your hose of any obstructions prior to charging the hydrant. When the engineer signals or calls for water, repeat the signal or call. Remember, the engineer may be out of sight and may be using the radio to call. Never charge the hydrant until the engineer is ready for it. Begin charging the line slowly. Do not allow a water hammer to hit the intake. Once the line is filled completely, open the hydrant quickly and fully. Place the increaser on an open 2.5-inch outlet, tightening it down. This will be used if an additional water supply is needed, and this also secures the fitting. This operation should be completed prior to charging the hydrant if the engineer is not yet ready for water. The spanner is placed back on the charge valve in a position where it will not be knocked off. Follow the line back to the apparatus, checking for kinks along the way.